Bro, why do we all have that one friend who's not scared to talk back to the teacher? The teacher's screaming at the whole class, threatening to delete everyone from existence. Everyone else is just frozen, praying they don't make eye contact with the teacher, and you're just trying not to laugh because if you do, you're getting publicly executed. The teacher's red as a whole-ass tomato yelling, "All of you, be quiet right now." Everyone's dead silent. Then your friend goes, "What if I don't want to? What are you gonna do about it?" Your soul instantly drops straight to your ass crack. You're genuinely scared that he's about to be deleted from the server permanently. The teacher's like, "I'm calling your parents right now." And he just says, "Cool, you want her number or do you already got it?" Bro, the entire room goes into shock. The teacher's mouth is open, but no words are coming out. After a full 10 seconds of the most awkward, suffocating silence in human history, she finally points a shaky finger at the door and screams, "Get the hell out of my classroom now!" Your friend just smirks, packs his bag, and walks out like it was nothing. Like, at this point, I don't even think his parents care if he gets in trouble anymore. He's gotten sent to the principal's office so many times they probably have a reserved seat with his name on it. He's basically untouchable. Subscribe for a kiss.